I usually know better than to go thrifting on a Tuesday because it's senior discount day, which means it's always very crowded. But I figured a nasty rainy day might keep people away. Well, apparently I was wrong. This place is packed, which is going to make it hard for me to find something to flip for profit, but gotta give it a shot. Checking out the book section, haven't found anything yet. Tell you what though, I bought a thesaurus a couple of weeks ago and all the pages were blank. Now I have no words to describe how disappointed I was. Well, it doesn't look like I'm going home empty-handed. Found this guy. I'm probably going to end up keeping that though, because I mean, but also it's actually better than the one that I have now. Mine's actually got a hole in it. And how much do they want? It's only $7.99. Can't beat that. Also just found this solo stove. It's brand new. They only went $3. It's like a little tabletop fire pit. I've always kind of wanted one of the bigger ones, but they're really expensive. So I'm going to grab this one and look into it. Just looking through the random rack of electronics here and found this Go Bible Traveler digital audio Bible. Looked it up and there's only 2 listed used and 6 have sold. So not a huge amount of money, maybe 20 bucks plus shipping, but for only $2 and a quick sell, I'll take it. Hopefully it works. I'm honestly surprised. Ended up with a few things. The golf bag is actually in better condition than I thought. Just needs to knock off some dust, but everything works. All the zippers work. No wear marks or anything. Like I said, I'm probably going to keep that. If not, I bet I could sell it for 40 or 50 bucks locally on Marketplace. Got the solo stove. Didn't even look it up. At least 20 bucks. I'm thinking if I decide to sell that, that might be a keeper too. And then the digital Bible, which should actually pay for everything. I think total was like $12.48 or something like that. So not horrible. All right, walking in the Salvation Army, and it looks like they actually have new clothes racks that they're about to put out. So that's kind of unusual for today. So I'm going to check that out first. This is kind of crazy. It's obviously distressed, but 1994 vintage Gamecock sweatshirt. I gotta get it. A pair of Prana pants. Haven't found those in a while. It's a pair of Prana shorts. Not sure the shorts do as good, but shorts are only like $3. There's another pair. Oh, here's something. This is a Grayson polo shirt. Good golf brand. Don't know what logo that is. It's not going to matter a whole lot. That's the logo you want to be looking for. That's the Grayson logo. Polos here are $2.99 and $3.99. Excellent condition. We'll take it. It's kind of random. Little ping 5-iron. It's worth 20-30 bucks. All right. Bose music system. 40 bucks. $39.99. But does it work? No remote. Gotta think about it. I couldn't get it to read a disc, unfortunately. I have had luck with these systems just cleaning the disc and they fire right up, so I'm going to try it. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to order a remote, probably be like 10 bucks. I'll be like 50 bucks all in. If everything works, we're probably looking at 250, 300. If not, I can sell the whole unit for parts for 120. So I don't think I'm going to lose money. Just walked out and I'm kind of already regretting my decision, but hopefully it just needs a lens cleaning. I mean, you see all the dust that's here. Hopefully that'll take care of it. I do have to order a remote. Wait on that comes in, test everything. We'll see what happens. Like I said, I see sold comps for parts not working of 120. So I don't think I'm going to lose money there. Also got the pair of Prana pants. Those sell pretty well at 30 bucks. Prana shorts, not real sure. I don't think those sell as good. I'm going to have to look those up. Grayson shirt sells for 25 or 30. And then the Ping 5-irons S59, I think she charged me $2.99 for it. It should sell for 20 or 30. So if this turns out, that's going to be a really good haul at Salvation Army. If not, I wasted like 40 bucks, but I think it'll be okay. So 2 stores, and this has already been a surprisingly good day. I honestly didn't expect much at all. So to have anything is good, and hopefully we can keep it going. Well, this is random find of the day. Found these WWE wrestling like figure display stands. We want $2 a box. We got 4 boxes. 3 of them are sealed, so I can actually pop this one open, pull it out, take pictures of the actual stands, show people what they look like. Looks like they're selling for around $28. Comps are kind of weird, honestly. I did the WWE Deluxe display stands, and it looks like they're selling for 28 bucks, but there's also some that are listed differently. I don't know, but for $2 a piece, gotta give it a shot. Got a little excited because I found this thing. It is a spray skirt for a kayak. It's basically the thing that goes over the hole where you sit in the kayak so you don't get wet. Brand new with tags, $4.99. I thought it'd be worth like 40, 50 bucks, but it's not. They don't really sell too well, so gotta put it back. Well, this is pretty awesome. It looks old too. See if I can see a date on there. I don't see one, but it's telling me made in Japan. $3, we'll grab it. All right, $10.95 on the 4 wrestling figure stands, $2 a piece, and then the Pac-Man game thing. I didn't look up comps on it. I feel like if it works, I can at least get $3 worth of enjoyment out of it. Well, it looks like they restocked the bag section, and by restocking, I mean they just threw a bunch of them on the floor. I don't know. I'm not really seeing anything though. All right, not something to resell, but check out the picture on this box of horseshoes. That reminds me of that girl on TikTok that does the show pigs. I've never seen that. You gotta check it out. It's hilarious. All right, found a little something I'm gonna get. It's a pair of Orvis waders. I've even got the repair patch in there. Feel like really good quality. Tried looking them up, and comps were all over the place from like 20 bucks to 400. They're kind of crazy, but I'm gonna pick them up. If you don't know, these are used for fly fishing. I'll look them up, try and find some model numbers, and make sure you stick around to the end of this video, and I'll update you what I find. But also leave me a comment down below and let me know why people go fishing for flies. It kind of doesn't make any sense. Seems like a lot of work for such a little meat. Probably not one of my proudest moments in life with that joke, but they can't all be whoppers, that's for sure. But this was filmed on November 6th. It's currently November 26th, 2 days before Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, by the way. Hope it was great for you. Hope you didn't eat too much. But I wanted to update you on the stuff that's actually sold from this thrift trip, and also update you on that Bose radio, because I certainly spent a lot of money on that thing. Orvis fly fishing waders. Honestly, I couldn't find a model number on the inside of these, so I did some Google lensing. Is that a verb? I don't know, but I did some Google lensing, did some research on eBay, and the closest ones that I could find were selling for between 80 and 90 bucks. So I listed mine for 89. Got a few watchers. We'll see what happens. And then at the store before that, that vintage Pac-Man game actually worked. I was kind of surprised. And it sold really quick, sold for $48 plus shipping. And then the wrestling figure stands, the comps on those when I picked them up were kind of weird. Pricing was all over the place. So I listed mine at $28 plus shipping, had a buyer reach out, said he wanted all of them. We agreed on a price of $88 for all 4, plus a little bit of shipping. I only paid $8, so I'm pretty happy with that. And then back at the Salvation Army, you guys saw me pick up 2 pair of Prana shorts along with a pair of Prana pants. Well, one of the pair of shorts is sold. They sold for $24 plus shipping. And then the big elephant in the room, of course, is this Bose system. You guys saw me pay $40 for a Bose system that I knew at the time wasn't working. Couldn't get it to read a disc. But I brought it home, cleaned it off with a lens cleaner, and it started working. It kind of worked. It skipped heavily though, unfortunately. And so I did some research on that on YouTube, and it looks like the lens will have to be replaced. So unfortunately, I had to sell it for parts. Not only that, I also had to order a remote, which was another $10, but that's really the only way to test this thing properly because there's no external buttons on this particular unit. So I'm all into this thing 50 bucks. It did sell though, sold really quick, sold for $125 plus shipping. Obviously not the 300 plus that I was hoping for, but I still made some profit. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know, would you have taken a chance on that? 50 into potentially 300, even though you know it may or may not be working? Leave me a comment, let me know. But probably my favorite find from this thrift trip was this little solo stove. I mean, this thing is too cool. Put it on the table like this, put some wood pellets in it, same ones I use for my grill, and you can see what it can do. It actually puts off a good amount of heat too. Not only that, my daughter made some s'mores over it the other night, so it just kind of goes to show you that not all thrifting is about profit. You can find some cool personal stuff too. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.